Hey y'all, welcome back to another Vigors Ventures. If you're new here, my name is Alexa. We are the Vigors. It is myself, my husband, our two kids, and our dog, and we live and travel full time in our Grand Design RV. Today, we're going to bring you along with us as we go on a fun family day.
Salad.
Is it yummy?
Try it. I don't like it. The pool I just shared is the pouch of the food snack. Hey, more please.
You guys are being so sweet. Good job. You want some more smoothie? You want to do your hands? You do them.
Are you going to show me the rock? What'd you find? Wow. So this is something that we actually started doing a few months ago. We take one day during the week, and my husband is working on a business, so he has obviously plenty of free time. And so we pick one day, and usually it's during the week. We found that this works a lot better because the weekends are obviously just crazy and everyone's out doing family stuff. So a weekday usually works better for us. It's less crowded. So this day you saw earlier, we went to a local coffee shop and grabbed some breakfast. It was so good. The kids loved their sandwiches, as you could see. And obviously mom and dad needed some coffee. And then after breakfast, it was time to head to the playground. We just went right across the street. As you can see, there's this awesome playground. We've been there a few times and the kids loved it, and it was a nice day. What are you doing, Bubba? Are you at the playground?
Look at the sweet ratchet strap. Ratchet strap leash. You ever forget your leash?
So this is actually last Thursday. They've been doing art in the park on Thursdays, which is so fun. It's just a free fun craft for the kids to do. But when we showed up, they weren't having it this day. I'm not sure. It's been really rainy here, so I think they might have canceled it. But luckily, it was nice out. It wasn't raining anymore. So the kids just had fun playing on the playground and were able to get all their energy out. Spin.
It hurts your hands.
You're gonna do it, Oak?
Okay, so we need to sit down.
Whoa. 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 Woo. Was that fun? Do I want to try? Whoa.
You're hot. You're hot in those blue shorts.
He's so funny. After they were done playing on the playground, we headed over to the splash pad, which they just have right next to all the playground equipment, which is awesome. Sometimes we'll pack their bathing suits. It's a hit or a miss whether they want to play in it. It was getting really hot out and they wanted to play. And luckily, I had an extra pair of clothes in the car. So we just said, go ahead, kids, go get wet, go cool down. And they had so much fun. Woohoo! Wow, you're so fast. Woohoo! We really like to just find free activities that we can do around our community, whether it's going to a park or we'll go to the library for story time or we'll go to our local museum. You do have to pay a little bit, but it's just nice to get the kids out and about, do something different, and it's also nice, obviously, to save money. Come on, let's go inside.
You missing anything?
No. So after playing outside for a few hours, we head back home to our camper to have some lunch. You can see here Lila is eating a tropical coconut smoothie bowl. It's been so hot, so she's been loving this for lunch. And then Oakley is my hummus guy. He loves his hummus, so he is having some pretzels and hummus. And Dada is washing the dishes, so then we can sit and relax too. So once lunchtime is over, then we do quiet time / nap time. You can see Bluey playing here in the background. We are on a Bluey kick. Normally Oakley goes down for a nap and Lila, our 4.5-year-old, doesn't nap anymore, but which is funny. You'll see in a few minutes in this video, but she usually just does quiet time and she'll watch a movie or sit down and watch a show and just relax and unwind. So here you can see Derek is actually outside with our neighbor across the street, who is this sweet little lady, and Oakley is up from his nap. So he actually went over. You can see the top of his head sitting on the stairs with her. And then, like I said, Lila doesn't normally nap, but she was just exhausted today. She got a little emotional watching a Bluey episode and crawled up in her room, and she ended up passing out and taking a nap.
All right, watch out for Lila. Let Lila go. Go ahead, Lila.
Oh, Lila.
Jack Frost. Go ahead.
After Lila woke up, we headed to the grocery store. As you can see, Lila spotted the Jack Frost Halloween character that they had out, which she's my Halloween girl and she's obsessed. And as you can see on Oakley's face, he was not a fan. He kept looking back like, I don't know about that thing. Anyways, so the kids grabbed their own little cart, which is just the cutest thing in the whole entire world. And then this grocery store that we have, it's called Lowe's Foods. and there's a bar inside. So Derek grabbed a beer. They have gluten-free cider. I grabbed a drink. And let me tell you, it just makes grocery shopping so much more fun, especially with kids. And it kind of doubled as like a date night for Derek and I. So grocery shopping is just part of our family day, which is so fun and so funny.
Low speed racer. All right.
No, just one, okay? I got what?
Salmon.
Okay, what else is in there? What else is in your cart? What's that?
Cow.
A pouch? What else do you have? What is that?
Chips.
Chips. What's that?
Coffee.
Coffee?
Good idea.
I want to get
More
the,
cheese?
I want to get the big mushroom.
All right, go follow Dada. We'll meet you later.
All right, we'll see you in 5 minutes.
Yeah. 5 miles, please.
See you later, alligator.
Okay, after a while, crocodile. All right, let's go.
Okay. All right, go ahead. Which ones are we gonna get? Yep. Just grab one of those.
Thanks, Valentine.
All right, y'all. Did you get some good stuff at the grocery store? What do you have, Lila?
I have a sandwich box. Oh, sorry. I have these.
Oh, muffins.
I want my. I have these.
How was the grocery store slash bar? What is it? Half off Thursdays?
Half off Thursdays. And you can't tip them. What? It's a
Wild.
no-brainer.
Do you think people like actually grocery shop, or do you think like I saw somebody in there with like a baby and a kid and like a snack cup and like they're just like coming to hang out?
I feel like people just go there just to drink. I feel like it's a bar. And even the lady ringing us up, I said, I thought this was a grocery store. And she's like, yeah, me too. Playing bingo or something over there. Try some quesadilla? You want to try some quesadilla? No, thank you.
So after the grocery store, we grabbed dinner real quick at this cute little Mexican restaurant, came back to the camper, and then it was time to make some s'mores on the stove, and they were so good. Then we had a dance party, and then it was time for bed.
One of those beers while I watch this chaos.
Watch out.
I need a beer. Okay, can you give me a coffee? One of those coffees open? Can you give me one of those coffees over there? Right there.
No sweet, okay.
Look, right there. Can you give me one of those coffees? Right there. Sure.
Okay, we're not going to put our hands up here because it's going to be really, really hot,
it's a little
okay?
Scary, dog.
Tell you teach about fire safety. Whoa!
I'll put this.
Okay, no, we don't hold that. Here, you're gonna hold this, okay?
What are we gonna do?
Hey, the rule is to listen to Mama.
Okay.
What?
All right, hold on. It's gonna be really hot, okay?
Turn the
Okay,
fan on.
okay.
And make sure they know not to put it.
Yeah, this is hot, okay? Here, back up a little, okay? Don't hold on to it.
Ready?
Okay, ready? It's very hot, so you have to hold the very end of the stick.
You can sit up. No, please stand
All
up.
right, you can stand up, okay? Just don't touch. Or you can do that. You can do it on your knees. Ooh. Ooh, don't touch, okay? Oh my goodness, don't touch. Okay? Ooh, let's turn it around.
Keep it a little higher, Lila.
Okay, yeah, let's do it up here. Ooh. Oh my goodness, that's hot. Is that marshmallow? All right, Lila, do yours.
Right there.
Oh, that's good. Then make sure you turn it, right? Ooh. Ooh. Ooh, out. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Good job.
Turn this
Whoa,
off.
whoa, whoa. Okay, good job. Does that look good? All right, let's turn it off. All right, ready? Bring your s'mores over here. Go put them on your crackers.
Marshmallows!
Oh, there's fire.
Marshmallows!
Smells so good, like a campfire. All right, you gonna put it on? How is it? What are we listening to? Do you need help, Oak?
This.
Oh. Derek, just lounging. This is what dads do.
Checking out his TikTok. No big deal.
TikToking.
With purple sandwich.
I only serve food.
Okay, I want cheese and sausage eggs. I want cheese bun and sausage eggs. I want cheese bun, sausage eggs.
What's your teeth?
So they all like s'more and fire and some s'more stuff with chocolate and marshmallow.